Okay, let me show you the principles of any CAD-based drawing program. Now they have different file formats and so on, but it doesn't really matter. This is the principle behind all of them. They always have planes or directions in space where you start off from here going this way, from here going this or this way, from here going this and this way, etc. So let's jump into it. You always start with a two-dimensional representation of the shape you want, and you drag this out into three-dimensional space. You can continue to hack away until you have the shape you want. Now, for instance, we take this added drawing and we cut that out of the first one. There are other ways to move the 2D shape in space, and it varies from program to program, but they all have a variation of these tools. Now we can take this and we can actually revolve it around the central axis there, and there we go. We made a donut on top of the little thing we started. Basically we did the same thing, except we rotated it instead of moving it in one direction. We can also add shapes in space in many packages, or most packages, and this is called a loft. So we can make two of those. Now basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the circle in the bottom here, transform it in 3D space until it's square, and I take the square and I transform that into, let's make it that polygon. So we're basically going to make the shape, the cross-section shape, from this circle to this square to this polygon. I select the square and I select the polygon, and there you go. It's no more complicated than that. This is the principle behind anything. If it's a free online package like 123 Design, which is an Autodesk, or if it's a premium package like Inventor, like I'm using now, or if it's SolidWorks, OpenCAD, OpenSCAD, it's pretty much all the same. There, I just made a hole through it, starting from the plane in the center of the form. I can add planes, and I can add any shape, form that I want at any surface or in any direction. Let's make it a 10. There you go. And that's it. It's no harder than that, and it doesn't matter which packet it is. They are all based on this principle. Now there are some drawing programs that are based on what's often referred to as clay or a meatball, and that is basically you start off with a clay-like substance on screen that you push, pressure, cut, add to, just as if you were modeling a piece of clay. But CAD-based programs operate on this principle. So good luck with your 3D drawing.